Hi guys, if you have a picture that looks too dark, don't worry, let me show you how to fix it for free. We will use Photopea, a free online photo editor. In the browser, you type in photopea.com. Sorry about that. Here it is. And to upload the image, simply click on Open from Computer. Choose the image. Here's the image. Now it's a bit dark here in this image. So, Image, Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast. Move the slider as you want to make it brighter or darker. We make it a bit brighter here. Also the contrast. And click OK. That's it. Now we have modified the image. Now I just want to advise you, avoid using save because it will download a PSD file. So you go to File, you avoid save, you go to Export As. From here you can choose the extension that you want to use. Let's say you want it as a JPEG. Click on JPEG, save. That's it. The image is downloaded in your PC right now. Quick and simple. If this helped you, consider subscribing for easy editing tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.